Hi guys, welcome back to the channel of the Italian guy. Today videos is the continuation of the video of the few days ago about pasta, but this time with just two ingredients. Very easy peasy. I don't know if you already know, but my channel deals with travels. I love traveling and keto. I don't like keto to be a diet because according to me keto is a correct way of eating, a lifestyle to follow until the end so that we can remain young and healthy. But I don't want to talk too much. As usual, let's jump straight into the preparation of the recipe. So to make our keto pasta with just two ingredients, we need 200 grams or 1 cup, I think is the correct amount, of grated mozzarella to be melted in the microwave. Mine was set to the maximum power for 1 minute, and 1 egg yolk. So let's knead the dough, the mozzarella, the melted grated mozzarella with the yolk, so that we have the whole thing being absorbed. Yeah, I tried to do my very best to have the yolk completely absorbed. So just few minutes, really few minutes of kneading. Yeah, and here I made life easier to myself by already shaping the dough in a rectangular form. Then with a cling film layer, I tried to use the rolling pin, but believe me guys, it's definitely hard to make the pasta layer so thin, the pasta sheet so thin. So I went ending up with giving up with a rolling pin, and I used my hands. And despite this, the layer was still thick. Anyway, you really need a pasta machine for this job. You can put a cling film on the top of the dough so that the pasta machine is not doesn't get dirty, and it's definitely better. I put also the stretched dough in a freezer for just 30 minutes, so to help to make my life easier when shaping it. I'm cutting. Now I'm trying to do spaghetti because they are thinner than tagliatelle, and then I gave up. I think it's better to use the pasta machine with the tool that tool that makes spaghetti and tagliatelle by rolling the pasta sheet inside it. It's definitely easier. I tried, I experimented, but it's definitely better to use the pasta machine. Now I'm making some still making spaghetti, and then I will try the classic tagliatelle, and then I have something special for you guys. Keep watching. Oops. Yeah, that one was too stick to the mat, to the silicone mat. Okay, few tagliatelle now. Have you ever wondered how to make tortellini? I will show you in a while how to make tortellini as well. Very easy, really easy. Yeah, that's the thickness. It's still too much, I know. It's still too much. But anyway, at least when you eat it, it's not so thin. Yeah, that's a square of 3 centimeters. I don't know in inches, sorry about that. And all you have to do, fold it and join the two opposite corners. Squeeze it. I forgot to put I didn't put any fillings inside, so be sure to put the keto fillings. Yeah, squeeze the corners, fold around your finger, and combine the two pieces in one. And that's it. Yeah, you have a thick, fat tortellino. Yeah, I think there should be a tool to make tortellini as well. Yeah, okay. So now we are about to boil them. But first, I have to tell you to put them in the freezer for a few hours or in the fridge overnight. Otherwise, the mozzarella will melt. And be very careful. Do not forget fridge for a couple of hours, sorry, freezer for a few hours, or fridge overnight after you've done the shapes. Yeah, because otherwise the mozzarella will melt in the boiling water, and in my case just 15 seconds, not more than that. Maybe yours, I don't know, will be a different matter, but definitely keep an eye on them because the mozzarella melts very quickly. And that's it, guys. So this for the preparation. So that's it, guys. The video was very quick, and I apologize if I don't show you anything, but they were so delicious, scrumptious, that I ate them all before I could record. I'm so sorry for this. If you have any questions, please write them in the box below. If you like the video, subscribe. I would like to reach 1000 followers before the end of the year, and I definitely need your help. Just a recommendation: when you cut the pasta, freeze it or just put in the fridge for 1 day. If you are in a hurry, put them in the fridge for a few hours, and when you boil them, do it very quickly for 1 minute or even less. Otherwise the mozzarella will melt and it will be a mess out of the pot. It's just for the egg, because we use the raw egg. We put raw egg, so we want to cook them for 1 minute should be enough, boiling water, but freeze them first. Okay, so that's it. If you like the video, again, please subscribe, help me to reach 1000 followers, share it with your friends, and any questions, write them in the box below. I'm experimenting another kind of pasta, another dough, pasta dough without lactose. So no mozzarella for those of you who are intolerant or you don't want to eat fresh cheese. In a few days it will be published, this video will be published, and maybe I will publish another video, the fourth and last one, about pasta, and similar to the first video with the fibers, but I don't know yet. Stay tuned and please subscribe. Bye bye.